Hello guys, can you please tell me if you hearing me? It's Ruben today. Perfect. Perfect. I will share the screen. And here we are. Please can you tell me as well if you see the screen? Perfect. Welcome everyone. Have a nice day to all of the 5ers trader today. My name is Ruben. Maybe can you hear me better right now, Anoop? I will be talking closer of the microphone. Okay, perfect. So yeah, my name is Ruben. I'm working here at the 5ers. I'm trading Forex today. I have some position to show you, and maybe we will do some analysis of the market and what's going on. Just a little disclaimer: all the advice I will give and all the trading ideas that I will give are only from my own point of view. So you should be aware of the trading risk and maybe my view will be different than yours, but still we would be able to exchange and talk today about the market. There was a lot of movement recently, the beginning of the week, and also at the end of the last week. The market are moving a lot right now. I have to check out a bit about the position I got in EURJPY. Actually, it's in winning, and I will explain what's happening in the market. I will probably move a bit the stop loss to break even. I don't know. I will have to think about that with you guys. So what we can see in the euro yen right now. So we come back in the H4. You can see a great range over there. I will just okay. So there is a great range over there. You had a great resistance and supply level as well. You had the demand. That's why I enter buy position right now, and I will explain in detail why further. Here yesterday there was a big false breakout because it's instantly seller came back to the market and start to sell off, as we can see in the day as well. Big shadow here. You could sell here and then maybe went stop out over there. So yeah, market are moving, false breakout in the euro yen, then going down. I'm expecting today a bit of a retracement on the long buy. I'm expecting a demand level. It can be break below further. Because here we have a great sell-off and a great demand and a great supply. So we will have to check that together and what's happening. So I entered the market. I will put the trade level, and here we see a great also little false breakout in 5 minutes. Let's see trade level. Okay, so I enter really it's the beginning of my demand zone. I buy a bit here. I buy the second time here at the lowest point of today. I like to draw this kind of trend line, even it's not like a really trend line. I like to see the lower low all the time, and I want to see a higher high after that. So I expect a high after here we broke. Here it was a little false breakout, but I did expect a higher high to see an invert trend over there. Same over here. We can see that here it's a high, here it's a high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and here I'm expected a higher high to break above. Is GBP GPY about to hit hourly demand? Let's check what's going on GBP GPY. I expect it could be the same. GBP GPY in an hourly demand. Yeah, we are not so far of the demand. I could expect maybe if you want to enter buy here, it's the candle are really bearish from what we see. What's going on in H4? Maybe you can see on the higher time frame. Oops. Still really bearish. Actually, I should expect here on a 4-hour time frame, we have here a great demand zone. Same here. At this point, we could expect a little bank zone, but actually the price is really bearish. Even in the euro yen, in the euro yen right now, we are in the demand zone. In the GBP GPY, it's still bearish. The candle are still there is no like returning situation over there. So, and say my position here is it's going down further. Generally, after this kind of candle in the 15 minutes time frame, like a great doji dragon over there. Here it was great. I expected a great branch, and here the sell-off is really high. Still, I will plan. I will stick to my plan and put the stop loss even behind, even below this demand level, and we will see what's going on. Still, the risk reward here is great. Let's say maybe 1-5, 1-6 risk reward ratio, even above. So I will stick to the position. If here we broke, it's a high bearish indication. But let's see, and let's wait. It's we have to be really patient. It's a higher time frame. It's H4. I'm expecting few days for this trade. Actually, I cannot replace my stop loss on break even because we are really close of the demand zone. So I will expect maybe a great rebound on a higher high over there, close to the median Bollinger Band, and then I will put my trailing stop loss and make a dynamic position manage. Any question over there on my trade? If you guys have some trade that you want to talk about, same on the euro dollar. There is big great move that's going on in the market. Here on the daily, we see yesterday a great doji candle, and today the price is going lower. So that can be also a great signal of selling of the in the euro dollar here as well. Like we could see the great response from the seller with this trend line. So all the time it's a lower high. If today we close in this kind of candle really bearish with this doji candle here, we can expect a lower move. Yeah, we see also in the dollar index that the dollar is going is getting stronger. So here we can have a setup. I'm sure the USD JPY. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay, so you are short over there, let's say. We should stop at, okay, not bad, above this candle. Watching from the breakdown only once we will likely take the yen cost. So yeah, that's true. Also, if actually in the EURJPY, I can also expect here a breakout. I want to stick to my plan. I really like to play demand and supply zone as well. Here we see a great range, so I will stick to that. But in the USD JPY, We already went below with this great supply level here. Here we see a great supply. So yeah, we can expect a breakout further for the dollar yen, and yeah, the risk reward, I think you have a great one. So that's a good point over there. Still, I don't. I'm not a trader that play on breakout. I really want to because when you want to trade a breakout, the price can go really quickly in your side, but it can also find support and find a great demand zone or supply zone, and then the risk reward can be really low. So I'm not trader that like breakout. There are some people that know really well to know to play this kind of situation. It's not my best strategy, but we can expect here a lower. We see on H4 that there is a great demand over. You see on H4 that 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, great shadow over there. So we can also expect a little rebounds. So that's why I don't like to play breakout, but that can be, you have a great stop loss really close of your entry, so that's fine. I will look at the CAD, CHF. Let's see, we don't have here the chart. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay. Okay, so you enter actually here. You put the stop loss above and you are short. That's a great one. Actually, you can still move your stop loss to break even doing a trading stop over there. And the TP you expect to break out below this. That can be great. Actually, I see your position in a risk free because we see that the trend is really bearish. I'm not expecting here a higher high, so yeah, you can try to reduce the risk and play this as a risk-free trade. So yeah, also it's a great entry for the short play. What's going on daily? Yeah, in daily it's still bearish. Okay, that's a nice move. Okay, let's see what's going on in my position. Actually, we're still in the demand zone. In 1 minute, here it will be the moment to see if here we touch it 1 time, it rebounds. Maybe here we can expect a second push forward. Looks like the seller are really strong on that side. I touch a great entry over there. I really touch the low of the day. So if I enter here on the first, so yeah, as you can see, I have two entry. I divide my entry risk. I enter 1 time over there, enter the second time even lower, and then fine. So that's really important to know how to enter the market and not to enter once in a time all the risk you want to take. Try to enter slowly and build your position. I could make it also in 3 times. I could maybe ban off the first touch, buy second one in the middle, and maybe one to close over the final demand and play with that. So that's also a good point. Let's go on GBP USD. I think yeah, GBP USD it's really big. If we touch 140, I also thought about going short over there because it's a nice setup to go short and to respect the supply level here. Really important. We see great supply, great resistance as well. So who play this kind of short here it's a really good trade. Right now you can make a trailing stop loss, even put your stop loss at break even. So yeah, GBP USD really bearish. I still see this pair going further down. Look here, that there is actually no buyer, because all the buyer, it's like a free fall right now in the H1. So that's a good point over there. Maybe right now it's like too late to enter the market. Here was like a good move yesterday or this morning. But yeah, I see the pair going further down and going even to this demand zone, even here. Let's see what's on the day one. Yeah, here it's a bit yeah, maybe here actually yeah, there is you can also take a partial profit. You can make an exit just below the demand to take some cash in the pocket and close out here in the demand zone. So yeah, that's my thought on the GBP USD. Really bearish for the time. Great response of the supply here. And yeah, the euro dollar still find if we broke over there as well, so it will go further down. Still, I don't like to play the breakout. That's not my best thought. Welcome, Johnny. Still, we see that okay still in the demand zone, still pushing higher over there. We're still in the demand zone. It's like here you could win. I don't know. I mean, if you respect the plan and the trade, you could win a lot of time. You can buy one time here, go out over there, buy. It's like when the market is rangy, you can buy into the demand zone, sell in the supply zone, and you can make a lot of playback. And just here you will lose because you will put your stop loss just behind above this candle, and you will be out with this false breakout. Could be really really annoying to lose this kind of trade. But that's the market, and that's all we have to stick with the plan and not to change our view. The market are moving really well this recent time, so that's I'm enjoying the market actually. And still I like to play. I will just okay. I like also to play with Bollinger Bands, so we can see that we weigh like far from the average price. So we could expect maybe a rebalance to the median Bollinger Bands and see what's going on further. Here in the H1, the candle is still really bearish. It's only 20 minutes. We will see how this candle close. Still a little bit shadow over there. Still in the demand zone. Do you hold overnight? Yeah, for this kind of position, Andy, I'm looking on the H4. So if I want to maximize my profit and exit maybe partially here in the median, actually, where I put my profit here, exactly in the median bands, and the higher profit maybe over there. So yeah, I could expect a few days, maybe few weeks. It's like in a range, still will be rangy. So for this kind of trade, yeah, I should look at overnight. If I'm trading on the five minutes time frame, so yeah, I should expect my exit trade on few minutes or on few hours. But actually, we see the demand zone in the H4 In the H1 is like, yeah, so it's, I think few days. It depends how the pair will go to the point I want. Yeah, I think for this kind of position, it's few days. Even today, it depends. If today we see a great rebound and tomorrow we touch the first profit, so I'm fine with that. But yeah, I expect few days for this kind of position. Yeah, GBP USD. It was also a 140. I saw one trader on the trading IDs. If you guys are not using it on the dashboard, you can use trading IDs. You can share the trade you have and share your point of view of the market. So it's a really great tool that we had we have in the Fivers, and you can also comment the trade that you have. And there was a trader I see that he said, I don't know, he even didn't look at maybe he looked at the supply well, but he said 140. Okay, so 140. So here it's 140. It's like they say it's a psychological level. 1.40. It's a psychological level, and we can make maybe have a sell here. So interesting. It's like right now going down, and you can put it's like a risk-free trade. Even putting a trailing stop for people that had this kind of position. Put a trailing profit here. Here we have like still a resistance, and if it's broke, it will be a returning situation, and it will close in profit here. Smallest profit, but still in profit, and that's the advantage. Still great rebounds on my pair here. Still in the demand zone. Great bearish candle. Let's let it go, and we will see. I like to see this kind of battle. We should see what I want when I play this kind of here. If we look only on the 15, we see like it's like a bearish, and then I like to see a higher high, and it should confirm the returning situation. In the HR, we're still in a range, so I want to see this kind of candle, the next candle of the 4-hour time frame, going higher of this closing higher of the opening candle here, and then we could have a great confirmation situation and move our stop loss and continue the trade. Not only by the weeks, not only by that, I see here this one has been tested once. It's like both. Here we see a great demand over there. So here it's kind of a demand, and still it's like a mix of a demand zone, of a range. And I like this kind of setup on the range plays, because the risk reward is really high. You can expect a rebounds on the median Bollinger Bands, and even touching the higher supply zone. And yeah, here it's like a support, and just because of this candle, it's like a demand as well. Still, we could see of a breakout. I like the euro yen, so I want to be in the market and find opportunities. Here it's like this kind of false breakout over there. It's a nice it's a nice bearish indication. So maybe we can expect a rebound on the median here zone, not making a higher high and then test again the dimension and work out. But I should expect a rebound one more time, because one time it will go even higher, it went further, so it went down for retracement or continuation. Actually, if we see, okay, I think it's a mix of the chart. Here on the chart, we see that, okay, let's check for the I will give you an example, GBP USD. Okay, here we are not in a range or in a zone. There is be a high bullish pressure, and then here a returning situation, and then we will see. Using Bollinger Bands in a range market, it's really easy because you will sell here on the higher Bollinger Bands, and you will buy in the lower. You want the price to go to the average, so that's why here you want to buy, and you should expect a price going even in the median situation. In the GBP USD, so if I put the Bollinger Band, we will see that they are going wider. Let's see. Okay, so actually I'm using Bollinger Bands to enter the market, and it's not telling me even it will be higher or if you are in a range zone, yeah, here the Bollinger Band will tell me that I want to buy because we are in a range pairs. But if we are here in a great bullish, we see that here it's kind of breakout, and here we want, yeah, it was a great pressure. There was no sell, no sell anyway. Like for example, here I don't want to go short. I don't want to go short because we are far away of the median. So maybe we can expect a little, I don't know, a retracement and then going down further. But I don't want to sell or buy when we are in the far away of the median. So I'm not using it for the trend. I'm using it for entry or exit. I want the price to be close of the median. Here we see that the difference between the average and the higher Bollinger Bands, it's still not far away. But like here, we see that it makes a great breakout. We are far away. Here I don't want to sell because I'm far away of the median. So it will tell me when I don't want to sell and when I don't want to buy. Actually, maybe it's clear. It's clear right now. Even here we are in a bearish momentum. I don't want to sell. That's my point of view. The market already moves a lot. We are far away of the median. I don't want to sell. Same here. You see, like the Bollinger Bands, it's even going down, and then the average price is here. So I don't want to sell this kind of candle because we are far away of the median. But maybe I can expect a buying because we are in the buying zone, and I will put any other criteria to make a buy setup here. So yeah, what I'm explaining is that you can use Bollinger Bands to know where not to sell and where not to buy. Welcome, Enrique. It depends. There are some people that are not using this kind of Bollinger Bands, but me, it's like telling me a lot of indication of the market. Any other trade that you want guys to overlook and to see? The market are moving even in the yen, either in the dollar, either in the pound. AUD USD. Yeah, so we saw this. AUD USD. Let's check. Still on a support in the H1. I will just put the Bollinger Band just after. Okay. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a breakout player, so I don't want to sell this kind of candle right now. If I want, I don't know too much the Australian dollar market, but if I want to make a position, I think still like here make a great supply. I will just put the Bollinger Bands and see where we stand. Yeah, when Bollinger are going wider, that means the volatility of the market is increasing. So here we can expect a breakout. I didn't backtesting this kind of breakout with Bollinger Bands or whatever, but let's see what's going on in 30 minutes and in lower time frame. You lack of little consolidation here, hand change, the market response multiple time of this kind of support. So we'll have to see if it's broke out. If it's going further down, there will be here no buyer, so it can be a great breakout. There are some here traders that know how to play some breakout and have some insight. Because generally, when you play breakout, the risk reward can be a bit low, because it can rebalance, and then the risk you take can be higher. But if it go on your way, you can make a lot of money, a lot of PNL. But if it's rebalance or continuation or retracement, you will be in trouble. What's going on my pair right now? Still in the demon zone. A lot of battle. Still 1 week and second week here. Great buyer. If I want, even I want to increase my risk, I could buy another one. But I think my trades, I enter entirely my trade. I don't want to put any more risk on this trade. So we'll stick to that. We are maybe blocking the lower price of the day. Good idea to eliminate risk quickly on the breakout. Yeah. Okay, can you explain maybe what do you mean by the ID? What kind of ID you mean? Yeah, we're still going further down. Let's see how the hour candle will close. This one with a doji with a great wick here. I like. I said myself, okay, we can expect from now a rebound, but this kind of candle is really bearish. We have still 30 minutes to go, but let's see. We have to be really patient. Trading is really mental. Maybe here some people will say, okay, it will break out. I want to close my position. I don't want to lose anymore. And then I don't know, you will wake up tomorrow and you will see the pair trading at 130. and you may say, oh, what do I close my position, I know this kind of setup will work, and so stick to the plan. You have to take the risk, or you want to take it, and that's it. That's really mental here. Still, week over there. There will be a great battle. I like to see. It's like watching a movie. It's like watching a movie, actually. Even on 1 minute, you see one time, two time here, the third time to go over there. It in the diamond zone, it cannot be sideways. Or we'll go pushing higher, or we'll break out on the lower side. Maybe you hear me better right now, Onyedika? Just tell me, I will talk maybe closer of the microphone. USD CAD. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Here we have the supply. Maybe not a supply, but we have a great resistance. We could expect a great breakout. Like I said, I will repeat. I don't like to play a breakout trade, because actually, if you want to make a breakout over there, you will enter here, and then because there is a resistance, so the market can go below. It can go further down. So the risk reward maybe not higher as you want. So as a trader, I want to maximize my risk reward ratio. So if I want to maximize, I want to expect some returning situation. So maybe we touch one time, two time, three time. I don't know if I want to enter this pair. Actually, there is on the H1 great pushing higher. If we want to go, of course, if we want to sell here, the market will have to see a returning situation like there. It was here a great returning situation. Actually, we are still in a bit here. It's like some trader took profit over there, and here the buying power here is the buying traders are quite strong over there. So actually, I will not do nothing on this pair. I want to see a candle on the H1 or even on the H4 with a great return execution. Then I will enter as a sell. But like I said, I don't want to play the breakout. Let's see AUD USD. Okay. It's like the same as I explained. Here, I don't want to make a buy. Maybe in the 15 minutes. Here, let's say, if I want to make a buy, I have a high risk reward. Okay, even I will make a buy here, even now, even maybe a bit lower. I will put my stop loss here, just below the lower, and I will expect a higher rebound. Actually, in the H4 here, we see a great supply, great seller. In the day one, still oversupply, still playing a range actually. So one time, two time, here several time, it can work. It can break, or it can maybe make a rebound again. If there is some people that know how to play breakout and have a great backtesting strategy on that, Maybe you want to see. I know that there is some trader that like to see the volume to find a breakout trade. That can be interesting to know. But sometimes I try to play breakout, but all the time I was caught in a supply level and in a demand level, and that's why I decided to not trade this kind of breakout anymore. I'm playing on the higher high, lower low, trend continuation. I like to trade the market where the market is playing range, like in the euro yen, because I want to maximize my risk reward. So let's check what's going on. A last question, a last pair that you want to check and talk about today. Still, I want my trend line is broken. I know. I'm just putting that because I want a higher high. I want the high of today going here, and then I can move my stop loss and make a trading stop and trading profit. GBP GPY. Okay. Yeah, a great bearish moment over there. Can expect a rebounds on this kind of rectangle and demand. In the day one. Yeah, today the candle is really bearish. So how we can expect a rebounds on this kind of support over there when the price made the consolidation, or we can expect a breakout and just we make a response on this kind of level here. I will answer the last question and then I will close the trading room. I hope you guys enjoyed today. We enter together the market. Let's see in a few days, even tomorrow, when the market will stand, and if the euro yen and where the euro yen will finish, and play it follow the risk. So the question was, after it breaks the high, do you want to recent low? Yeah, exactly. So I want the candle to break the higher low here, the lower high, and then I will remove the stop and make a dynamic trade. So that's why I want to see. I want to see a great push higher and then remove my stop loss as a break even point. Thank you, guys. I wish you a nice day. Keep following the trend, and we will see. We'll meet in the next week. Bye bye. See you Monday.